Now I am joined by new board chair of the Duluth Area Chamber of Commerce, Dr. Chiamaka Enemuoh. Welcome to Almanac North.
Thank you for having me.
So what first sparked your passion for healthcare?
I think my passion for healthcare started with my grandparents. I spent a lot of time with my grandparents, and I was involved in their older years, taking them to clinics, helping them around the home. And then when we moved here, someone basically told me that I belong in healthcare. So I actually had to look into that, and then from there on, here we are.
So what inspired you to establish Lifestone Healthcare?
I have over 20 years experience in healthcare, and I started as a caregiver and worked my way up. Along the line, I found the need that we have a huge need in healthcare, and I just wanted to help to improve the lives of people. So that, and that's the positive aspect of that. There were other reasons why I started that are not so positive, but actually to help at the end of the day, to help make things better.
Mm-hmm. How would you describe your leadership approach?
I would say my leadership approach goes back to my core values: clarity, authenticity, and integrity. As far as my leadership approach, I would say I do find competence necessary, courage. Competence, I do believe that a leader should be able to have the skills to perform their duties and also to guide others. So I do appreciate that as a leadership approach. And courage, having the ability to do something that's difficult, mm-hmm. even when even when it's not the best thing for you, but it's the best thing to do.
Mm-hmm. As the incoming chair for the Duluth Chamber of Commerce, what are the biggest priorities for the community?
Well, that would fall back to the Chamber's three key initiatives: business conditions, economic development, and community progress. So making sure that we take care of the needs of our members, advocating for their needs, whether it's infrastructure improvement, construction and permitting processes, childcare, healthcare, education, tourism, responsible taxation, and also supporting our city, making sure we fill the roles in our city of Duluth, mm-hmm. currently, and so much more. Making sure that that Duluth is business friendly and welcoming, mm-hmm. workforce.
You've actively supported initiatives for minority business owners. Why is this work so meaningful to you, and what impacts have you seen firsthand?
This, when Lifestone Healthcare was started 11 years ago, I didn't actually have a mentor, a minority mentor, and things were quite different. So I'm glad that I'm able to help someone else, to help them build their confidence. When I look at the impact of that Lifestone is a small business. In our area, we make payroll. We have full benefits for our employees, and that directly impacts our economy here, mm-hmm. in the Duluth community. So being able to help someone else who is willing to do that, but having some difficulty, doesn't have what it takes or confidence, or maybe has what it takes but doesn't have the support, I think that's really important.
How important is diversity and inclusion in today's leadership landscape?
Very, very important. When you have diversity, you can see things from different perspectives, and that drives growth and just improves the overall well-being of everyone, just the community, and you make a big impact in that.
What sort of advice would you offer to upcoming leaders?
Believe in yourself. there are times when nobody will believe in you. The only person that would believe in you is you. Believe in yourself and do what is right. And I can't stress the importance of believing in yourself. I think that's where it all starts. Believe in yourself and look for support. Look for help. Don't be afraid to ask. When you fail, get up and do it again, because you will. Things will get difficult, but just believe in yourself. That will carry you through. And then do something you're really passionate about, because it helps. When you feel like giving up, but because you're already passionate, then you wake up again and do it over again.
Good advice. I think we could all remember.
Yeah.
As you look ahead, what personal or professional milestones do you hope to hit?
Continue to improve myself. I have to continue to develop and evolve as a person and as a leader. So I'll continue to improve and do what it takes.
Dr. Enemuoh, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.